Subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button. Click the bell button and enjoy the latest uploads from our channel.
We all dream of having smooth, flawless skin, free of any blemishes. However, sadly life has other plans in store for us. Blackheads are usually caused by oily skin, using rich and heavy cosmetic on your face, or failure to cleanse your face and skin properly. We have come up with 9 best face masks to remove blackheads and tighten skin pores. So these are face masks. They can also be applied to get rid of blackheads on other areas of your body. Activated charcoal face mask. Activated charcoal is an excellent remedy to get rid of oily skin and blackheads. Take activated charcoal, clay, apple cider vinegar and water. Combine activated charcoal and clay powder in a bowl. Add apple cider vinegar and water to make a smooth paste. Mix well and apply on face. Afterward, wash it off and gently pat dry your skin. Use a light oil-free moisturizer. Milk gelatin peel off mask. This face mask will help you eliminate any blackheads on your face. Take milk, gelatin and raw honey. Combine gelatin, milk and honey in a double boiler. Keep stirring the ingredient as the gelatin slowly melts and blend. Turn off the heat when the mixture shapes of thick. Use a cosmetic brush to apply it on your face. Wash and dry your face and apply oil-free moisturizer. Egg white peel off mask. Egg white serves to tighten your skin pores and check the formation of blackheads. Take egg and paper towel. Crack an egg and collect the egg white in a glass of bowl. Apply a thin layer of egg white over your skin. Apply a thin paper towel over the applied layer and press it gently on your face. Apply another layer of the whisk egg white over it. As it dries, peel off the paper towel, wash your face and moisturize the face. Clay mask. Natural clay has excellent skin cleansing properties. Mix clay powder and water in a bowl. Apply on face and leave it to dry to get rid of blackheads. Wash your face and apply moisturizer on your face. Baking soda. Baking soda gently exfoliates your skin, removing blackhead spores. Take baking soda and raw honey. Mix baking soda and honey in a bowl to form a fine paste. Apply to gently exfoliate and remove blackheads. Leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes and wash it off and gently pat dry your skin. Cinnamon and honey mask. These sticking masks need to stay on only for a few minutes to extract and remove your blackheads. Take organic cinnamon powder and raw honey. Mix organic cinnamon powder and honey in a bowl to form a thick paste. Apply on skin to eliminate blackheads. Just leave it on for 2 to 3 minutes and then wash it off with water. Lemon and oatmeal scrub or mask. Oatmeal has skin soothing properties and is ideal for removing blackheads. Take lemon, oatmeal, plain yogurt and olive oil. Combine plain yogurt and oatmeal in a mixing bowl. Add olive oil and freshly squeezed lemon juice. Mix well and apply on face. Leave it on for 15 minutes and wash it off with cold water and moisturize the skin. Oatmeal, honey and cucumber mask. This face mask will remove blackheads on your face. Take cucumber pulp, oatmeal, plain yogurt and raw honey. Combine mashed cucumber pulp and yogurt in a bowl. Add honey and oatmeal in the mixture. Mix well, chill and apply on your face. Leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes and wash it off with warm water. Turmeric mask. Turmeric lightens skin and an excellent remedy for treating both acne and blackheads. Take organic turmeric powder, sandalwood powder and plain yogurt. Combine organic turmeric powder, sandalwood powder and plain yogurt in a bowl. Mix well and apply on your face to remove blackheads. Leave it on for 30 minutes, wash it off with cold water and gently pat dry your skin. A very common and persistent problem for those with oily skin is the periodic occurrence of acne breakouts and the persistent appearance of blackheads on their skin. So apply these best masks to get rid of blackhead quickly. Thanks for watching this video. Like this video, share this video and subscribe our channel for more interesting videos.